Yo, what's going on? Cuz by Reggie. Back with another video. We're gonna make it quick. Just a little unboxing. I was going through some, well, first, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos. If you dislike the videos, all that good stuff, right? But I was going through straightening up some stuff at the shop and came across some things that I have yet to even open, right? Forgot I purchased them, right? So today we're gonna unbox the Ace trimmer, which goes along with the Ace shaver from Stylecraft. And then they also have the USB charging stand that some of their clippers have where you can just sit right on, right? So we're gonna start with the Stylecraft, the Ace trimmer. So I bought this actually like a few months ago, right? Seen it was on their website, purchased it, but I've been going through so many different items, honestly forgot that I had it. So this from the website is $59.95-ish, something like that, right? So let's see, it's a slim, compact design, weigh under 5 ounces. So that's very light, right? And slim, right? High speed, low noise, 7,500 RPM, 3 hours of continuous runtime. And to get that full runtime, it takes 90 minutes to get that charge. Skeleton design, of course. A lot of the products today is coming, a lot of trimmers are coming skeleton, you know what I mean? Like with the 360 view at top. So Japanese stainless steel battery indicator, 3 guards. Let's go ahead and get this open and let's just see what's in the package. I haven't heard anybody even talking about these. So we're gonna see how they feel for now. And then, you know, then we'll give it a good try, right? This is the package. Nothing fancy. Pretty much look like their Ace shaver box if y'all ever use that. So skeleton design in the box. Let's see. Open up. Once you take the top off, everything is in the plastic. Not a lot in here, of course. You get your pamphlet, charging cable, oil, cleaning brush, and then you get the 3, if y'all can see those in there, 3 guards that I can barely get out that thing, right? Anyway, so let's go ahead to the machine, because that's really all you get in there. You get the charger, the charging cable. It's not even with a block or anything. You get the charging cable, but this is the machine. This is very slim, very light. I mean, it says under 5 ounces. So blade, basic blade. Take that plastic part off. That's where you get the 360 view. Power button here. Also got little grippers on the side, so I guess that'll be cool lining up. Very quiet. It's close. It's not like super gap, but it's close. No, it's not cutting. It's not cutting any of the hair. I mean, a little bit, but we'll try it out. We'll definitely start. This seemed like already it's more of a home use type thing. We'll start with this. We'll try to get some lines with it. Use it as it come. Try to do some balding out. Let's see how it works. Of course, you can use it with this on there, but I don't know if you would want to if you got that. But I tell you what, you get some thick hair stuck in that thing, you're gonna hurt your client and the clippers. The client and the clippers gonna be mad. So that's the design of that. Like I said, we're not gonna be here long. I just wanted to unbox it. I honestly forgot this was here. It was $59.95 from the website, and then the charging stand. This doesn't come with this. This is actually sold separate. This is $24.95. The point of this is to have a charging dock for some of their products that takes the type C charging cable. So USB-C type C. Small package. Not a lot of information. Type C. It got the overcharge protection, which meaning it's gonna cut off once it fully charges. Hopefully that's what it does. Small design. So you just take whatever charger, plug it in. I plug in the right side. Yeah, that's it. My dumb man. Why it ain't going in there? Anyway, should go in there. It's a Type C. Type C, right? It's a little struggle to get that thing in there. There we go. So we got Type C. I don't know if it's supposed to be in rotate like that, but then just set on there. So that's what I got. Like I said, I forgot that maybe they got a block in here. If it got a block in here, that's cool. I don't like that though. I don't like that. This does come with its own charging cable, but it comes with a charging cable in all the other products. But for the product not to have a charging block, but then the charging stand that you want people to use also don't have a charging block. I mean, I understand it. Somebody got a block somewhere. But if you want, it's just a lot of products coming without the blocks. You get what I'm saying? So, I don't know. Anyway, that's what it is. We're gonna give this a go. The trimmer, like I said, I believe if I'm wrong, I'll post the right price. But it's $59.95, and the charging stand, the USB Stylecraft charging stand, is $24.95, and it does come with its own cable, and I guess that'll help it get the full charge. It's still tough to get in there, but help it get the full fast charge. 7-foot power cord, for easy use. Built circuit protection prevents damage to device due to overcharging. Anti-slip base, and that's the anti-slip base at the bottom. It's small, but it is kind of, this is heavier than some of the charging docks that you can get from like third parties and stuff. It's small, but it got a little weight to it. It's definitely not going nowhere, but it's flat. It's not gonna slide. So that's it. Like I said, I was just going through my stuff, trying to get my station situated for the new year. Came across these. Hey, let's unbox these. Let's use these, right? So these will be used. I just wanted to show y'all that, hey, there's a product. If you do want to get these or anything from Stylecraft, you can use my discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you some money. Buy the Saber trimmers, buy the Instinct clippers and trimmers, the Rebels, which is my favorite clipper. You got all the options in the world from Stylecraft. So, boom. A quick little video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, share, dislike the videos if you dislike the videos. We'll be back with a review of these. I'll do a small review if it's worth it. If it's not, I'll do a review. And then we got tutorials coming. We're trying to up the page, up the viewers, up the subscriptions, all that good stuff. Happy New Year. Peace.